Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm Emmanuel, helping you master HubSpot for your business. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a free HubSpot account. Just a little context in case you are coming across HubSpot for the very first time. HubSpot is a software suite comprising of tools that allow you to manage your customer data and also align your marketing, sales, and customer service operations in a single platform. So I'm left a link in the description. You can just click on that link and you're going to land on this landing page, or alternatively, you can just open up your preferred browser and type in hubspot.com. They're going to also land in this exact same page. Here on the home page, you have two options to create a free account. So you can either get started for free here at the top navigation menu, or if you scroll down a little bit, then you can find a big get started for free button right here on the home page. So I'm just going to click on that. Once you've landed here now, you have three options to create a free account. So you can either continue with Google, or you can sign up with Microsoft, or you could just type in your email address here and then create the password afterwards. So I strongly advise that if you are creating a HubSpot account for business purposes, that you should do so using a business email. It's just going to save you a lot of headaches and down the line when you are trying to assign team members to tasks and all of that. So if your business email is hosted on Google Workspace, then you can continue with Google. If it is hosted on Microsoft 365, then you can just continue with Microsoft. Alternatively, you can just enter in your email address here, then you click verify email. So an email is going to be sent to this Gmail account. I've just put on my Gmail account here, and then you can see HubSpot here. We have the verification code. So what you're just going to do, you're going to copy this and then enter it back into the browser and click on next. So from here, you can create a password. So I've created mine, and then you click on next. So you can enter in your first name here. My first name is Emmanuel. Last name here. And then you click on next. So you're going to be asked which industry you are in. I am in marketing and advertising, but you're going to choose the right industry. It's very important you choose the right industry here before going on. So what best describes your role? I'm just going to say I'm an owner. And company name, I'm just going to enter, obviously, a fake company here. Click on next. How many people work at your company? So you're going to choose the right number for you. For me, I'm just going to go for just me. And you're going to be asked to input your company website. So just include your company website. And create a free account. So this is just to verify that I'm not a robot. This shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds. A car. Verify. So we're good. You click on continue. All these are just onboarding questions. So HubSpot can be able to tailor its recommendations, tailor the experiences for you, especially since you're just getting started with the platform. What would you like to focus on first? Obviously, you can just select what applies to you. So I'm just going to select on automating marketing, but obviously select what applies to you. As I use any of these tools, so again, just select what applies to you. I'm just going to be selecting just that tool. Your sharing action. Let's just skip all of this. You can do all of this much later. Okay, let's also skip this. Personalizing your accounts. Get started. Obviously, this is not my first time using the platform, so I'm quite conversant with HubSpot, but feel free to take this quick tour around the platform just to be able to familiarize with it a little bit more. Once you arrive here, you have your entire suite here. So here's your CRM. You can manage your contacts, your leads, and then if you're into account-based marketing, you can add your companies here. Once you have a lead that is moving on to becoming an opportunity, you can create a deal here connected to the contact and also to the company involved. You can also segment your customers, your contacts based on certain criteria, and you can do a lot here. And then Content Hub, you can create landing pages, website pages. Don't worry, if all this is a little confusing, feel free to subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be making more detailed videos on how you can actually apply all these hubs, all these tools to be able to make meaningful impact on your business. So we also have the sales here, the sales hub here. You can create sequences, you can make forecasts. And then the commerce hub, you can add codes here, create invoices. And the customer service hub, a lot that you can do here. And then you also have your settings at this top corner here, where you can be able to create new properties and also modify or edit properties of certain objects right here in HubSpot. So this was just a very quick tour. Like I said, I'm going to be making follow-up videos. You want to see that, subscribe to the channel and also turn on the notification bell, because I'm going to be creating hands-on videos, step-by-step tutorials on how to really master HubSpot for your business.